Generative AI, in short, Gen AI, the hot topic everyone is talking about these days. This particularly became famous literally overnight through ChatGPT. So what is generative AI? They say this is the hot new trend in AI. Is it? They say this is the future of AI. Is it? Let us answer these questions while busting some of the myths around Gen AI. Let's go! Are you ready? Generative AI simply is an AI that can generate something for you. So now pay close attention to the word something, because many think that it can generate paragraphs of text to answer your questions, such as what ChatGPT does. That's true. However, that's only one type of Gen AI. Other types can generate images, audio, video, and literally any other type of content. For example, Gen AI can generate art. It may even be able to produce a movie for you in the future if you provide the right input. Now, is Gen AI new? Not really. The concept has been around almost since the evolution of information technology, and we have crossed several key milestones in this area thus far. However, it is also true that this field has significantly improved in the recent years, and this is primarily due to three reasons. Now, number one, the focus on data that is required by Gen AI models has strengthened in the recent years. Number two, the algorithms behind Gen AI models have emerged significantly. And number three, supporting hardware has become more powerful. Let us take these 3 points and understand how Gen AI actually works. To understand that, let's first understand how humans work, because artificial intelligence is actually trying to mimic human intelligence. So let me ask you, how will you answer a question, any question that comes to you, which is what ChatGPT, the most popular Gen AI model, does. The answer to any question will depend upon 3 things. Number one, your knowledge on the subject, which you might have gained over time. Number two, how smartly you can put A and B together to formulate an answer. And number three, your brain power. AI is no different. It gains its knowledge by going through large sets of data as input, just like how you learn things. That's why more data you provide to AI, the better the answer would be. But the accuracy depends upon how AI can put A and B together out of all these large sets of data. That's where deep learning algorithms come into picture that underwent significant improvements recently. For example, large language model, in short LLM, is an algorithm used to process text-based data to produce text output, such as, again, what ChatGPT does. Now, our ability to accurately answer questions is way better than our closest ancestors, such as apes. Just like the way our brain power grew significantly, our hardware capacities to store and process these large sets of data have been significantly improved. So that is why AI has been significantly improved in the recent years. Next question, is this the future? The answer is a resounding yes. We are only beginning to see the power of true generative AI. Gen AI will take over our world is not an understatement. Customer service will completely rely on Gen AI if it's not already happening through chatbots. You can have a real conversation with Gen AI, not just through chat. You can actually speak to an AI. You can, for example, you can talk to your car while driving, for example. Sorry, maybe I should say while the car is driving you, because that's around the corner. Gen AI will be able to give you a better career guidance than any human on this earth. It will provide efficient growth strategies and advice to CEOs and business owners. It will write code if it's not already doing so. It will compose music, write lyrics, and even make entire movies, as I said earlier. That's not all. It will make our roads more efficient by producing better maps. It will make our world a better place to live by producing more accurate weather forecasts. It will make our community safer by producing details of potential threats through advanced computer vision, for example. This list can go on and on and on. I can talk about Gen AI case studies, the whole day. So finally, let me leave you with a few thoughts. If you are amazed by ChatGPT, then buckle up and be prepared to get more and more amazed, because ChatGPT and the present-day Gen AI capabilities can roughly be compared to monkeys in the context of human evolution. So how much better Gen AI will be when it eventually reaches human levels in its evolution? Think about it.